Hi, I'm Mrs. Amodemo and this is Penny. Welcome to our math video. We're going to be working on adding with zero. Let's get started. All right, my friends, let me read the essential question by myself the first time and you read it with me the second time. What happens when you add zero to a number? Read it with me this time. What happens when you add zero to a number? What should we do? Penny, what should we do? Penny says we need to write an I can statement. She's right. All right, my friends, what's the rule about that little bitty word I? Oh, you're so smart. That's right. I is always capital. I can. Can. Can you tell me how to spell can? Can. What do you hear? Yes. C-A-N. I can add. And I like this word add, my friends, because it's spelled like it sounds, but it's right here if I need it. A-D-D. Zero, Z-E-R-O. How do I spell that little word two? Yes, T-O-A, number, N-U-M-B-E-R. What goes at the end of my statement? Correct, we need a period. All right, my friends, let me read the I can't statement by myself the first time. You read it with me the second time. I can add zero to a number. Read it with me this time. I can add zero to a number. Hey, you should be asking yourself a question, my friends. Yeah, that's the question. What does that mean? Well, when we add zero, my friends, it's kind of like holding the place. So if I said I had one cookie and my son Charles had no cookies, how many cookies do we have together? I would be adding 1 plus 0. So how many cookies do my son Charles and I have if I have one cookie and he has no cookies? Yeah, we've got one cookie together. I think we'd have to split it in half and share it. Let me erase this and we'll give it a try. All right, my friends, I've got the first two problems up for us. Let me read the first one. 6 plus 0 equals something. Penny, in math, what do we call the thing we don't know? Penny says the thing we don't know is called the variable. She's very smart. So the thing we don't know is the variable. So I've got 6 plus 0. And I'm going to use my favorite strategy, my friends. I'm going to draw a quick pick. So 6, that means I need 6 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I have a 0. How many is 0? Yeah, 0 is 0. 0 means you don't have any. So I'm not going to draw anything for 0, my friends. And then for adding, you know we circle the whole thing. So I'm circling my 6, and I'm circling my space where there would be something if we had a bigger add-in than 0. And now, my friends, we just have to count it up. Can you help me count? Fantastic. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Help me count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what's our sum of 6 plus 0? Yes, you're so smart. 6 plus 0 equals 6. Let's try this one. All right, my friends, I've got 0 plus 4. 0 plus 4. Penny, do I draw any counters for 0? Penny says, no, I don't draw any counters for 0 because 0 is holding the space of another number. So nothing's going to go here. And I need 4 counters, 1, 2, 3, 4, for our plus 4, our second add-in. And I'm going to circle where this add-in would be and our 4. And then what do we need to do? Yeah, we got to count it up. All right, my friends, help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Help me count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is our sum of 0 plus 4? Yes, 0 plus 4 equals a sum of 4. Kind of easy, right? Now, my friends, if you didn't want to draw a quick pick and you have dominoes at home, remember we looked at those before? I could have used this domino. It models the problem as well. See, there's nothing on this side, that's my 0, and then there are 4 circles on this side to be my 4 counters. Remember, this is a strategy we've talked about, so if you've got these and you don't feel like drawing a quick pick, you can use them. My favorite way is still going to be drawing a quick pick. Let's switch to paper and see how we do. All right, my friends, let's do this first one. 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0. They did it for me. So we need 2 counters plus 0. So we've got to circle it, and then we can count it up. 1, 2. I also have a domino that matches this problem, my friends. Here's 2 plus 0, 1, 2. So our sum of 2 plus 0 is 2. Next one, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1. So I've got 0. They gave us a counter for 1. I'm going to circle it and count it up. 1. 0 plus 1 equals 1. And again, my friends, if you like the dominoes, I have a domino that matches that one. Let's do this one. Did you notice there is no 0 in this problem? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to circle it, and we're going to count them up, my friends. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the sum of 4 plus 6 equals 10. And again, my friends, I have a domino that matches that one. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, pause the video, my friends, and solve the rest of this. When you finish, hit play, and let's see if we agree. All right, my friends, how did you do? I hope we match. All right, my friends, let's switch back to the board and do a word problem. All right, my friends, before I read the word problem, I want to check in with you. Let's see how we're doing. How do you feel about this adding with 0? Thumbs up. I got it, Miss Amodemo. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Thumbs to the side. I'm working it out. It's making some sense, Mrs. Amodemo, but a little practice would be good. Thumbs down. I'm not so sure about this, Mrs. Amodemo. I know it's new, so I'm not giving up, but it's still giving me some hard time. All right, thank you for letting me know how you're doing. All right, my friends, let's read this problem. Let me read it the first time by myself. You read it with me the second. Mara has 7 books. Juan does not have any books. How many books do they both have? Read it with me this time. Mara has 7 books. Juan does not have any books. How many books do they both have? What should we do? Penny, what should we do? Penny says we need to figure out what we're starting with, what our change is, and what our end is. Let's do that. So my friends, how many books does Mara start with according to this problem? Yeah, Mara has 7 books. So we are starting with 7. Juan does not have any books. There's no number in that sentence. What does it mean if Juan does not have any books? What number do we use when someone does not have any? What number do you think we use when someone does not have any? Yes, you're so smart. Yes, we use 0. So Juan doesn't have any books, so we're going to use 0 to stand for the books he doesn't have. Let's find our end. How many books do they both have? How many books do they both have? So my friends, this is our end, and we've got to figure out how many books they have when we put them together. So my friends, we've got 7 books on this side. Mara's got 7, and then Juan's got 0. I need another hand. So Juan's got 0. So we've got to take the 7 and Juan's 0. We've got to put them together and figure it out. So are we adding or subtracting? Yes, we're adding. Good job, my friends. Let's write a number sentence. Tell me what to write. Yeah. 7 plus 0 is going to equal our variable. What should we do now? Penny, what should we do now? Penny says we need to draw a quick pic. She's so smart. So 7, I need 7 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what do I write for 0? Yes, that's right. We write nothing for 0. Nothing. But I circle it up. And then I have to count up to figure out what our sum is. Can you help me count? Fantastic. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Help me count, my friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is our sum? Yeah, the sum of 7 plus 0 is 7. Now, my friends, we're not done. No, we're not done. Let's do a bar model. Why? Because we can. You remember how to draw them. We make a great big rectangle, and then we cut the rectangle in half, and we make one box bigger than the other on top. So here are our numbers: 7, 0, and 7. Oh, this is going to be challenging. All right, my friends, so we're going to use the numbers 7, 0, and 7. Now, you're going to have to help me a little bit here, because this one doesn't quite follow my rules, but we're awesome. We're going to figure it out. The biggest number gets the biggest box. What's the biggest number? Yeah, that's the problem. There are 2 of them. We've got 7 and we've got 7. So we're going to put this 7 in the biggest box. Now, the smallest box gets, the smallest number. What's the smallest number? Yes, it's 0. So 0 is going to go here. So that leaves, my friends, that means, my friends, this 7 has to go here because it doesn't have anywhere else to go. So let's see if it matches our number sentence. 7 plus 0, that's what the top says, equals 7. I like it. How did you do? What did you think? Yeah, I know, we're getting good at this. Hold, what? What, Penny? Penny says I have to take her for a walk. I'll be right back. All right, my friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, we're going to be adding with 0 for a long, long, long time, so put it in your brain and lock it there. We'll see you next time.